Hey back! This is trending now. I'm Mehul. Let's get right into some of the things that we're going to talk about. Ye is leaving the music industry. What? Eminem's album release is finally about to release on 12th, but we got the tracks. I'm going to talk about that as well. Some news for you football freaks as well about the Euro 2024 and a lot of other animated movies that are going to be coming. We'll talk about all of this, but before that, Throwback Thursdays. I'm only gonna break your break. Did that make you smile? Yeah, okay. Add that to your playlist. Tayo Cruz. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the Euro 2024 roundup. Spain won against France, Netherlands, and England. England won against Netherlands, and which leaves Spain and England fighting for the finals of Euro 2024, which is happening on the 15th of July. Keep a lookout for that. And a little shout out to Lamine Yamal, a 16-year-old from Team Espanyol. He is the youngest of everything this league and he is a big threat to football right now. Look at Messi holding young Yamal. Only if he would have done... Never mind. I'm not going to say it. Okay, let's move on to the music industry tea. Eminem's Death of Slim Shady tracks are out and it is a 19-track album. Of course, the collaborations aren't out yet, but this is a little shout out to the Illuminati because you see Antichrist, you see the pattern here. But anyway, can't wait. 12th of July is the release. And until then, please go watch Houdini, go watch a music video of that, go watch Toby, listen to Toby. It's amazing. While on the other side, I don't know if this is bad news or good news. It's your interpretation of it. Kanye, Ye, is finally leaving the music industry. So he says, or maybe this is another PR stunt, I don't know. But good for him because his fashion game is working pretty well right now with his lookalike Kim Kardashian, Bianca. Okay, let's move on to something amazing. But first, let's have a 10-second silence for Cartoon Network, RIP. I love it. But Tom and Jerry, the OG show, you will be missed. But in other good news, Shrek 5 is finally going to release. It's releasing on the 1st of July 2026, a year from now, but worth the wait. The repeat voice cast of Mike Myers, Cameron Diaz, and Eddie Murphy is going to be in Shrek 5. I don't know what the plot will be. Will it be Hulk versus Shrek? So I'm thinking, I don't know. Let's wait and watch. I think there's a little nod to Puss in Boots as well, we see from the poster. But we can wait and watch. Okay. Leaving you with May Recommends, but before that, like, share, comment, subscribe, okay? Okay, 2 tracks in May Recommends, really amazing tracks, okay? Melodic electronic tracks that I have added to my playlist recently. Nevermind by Dennis Lloyd and Revolution by Diplo. Some great tracks. I'm going to leave you now, but hey, leaving you with a little bit of an advice. Please, before turning on your cars during the monsoon seasons, just make sure no animals are below, taking shelter. Okay, bye!
94.3 Radio 1.